Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Warda's Cuisine. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. Today we're going to make a very easy and quick recipe. Let's start with the bread gulab jamun. Yes, yummy recipe of a bread gulab jamun. Take 4 slices of bread, or you can take more, but now I'm going to just try it how it's going to turn out. So I take 4 bread slices, cut the edges because we only need this white part, so we're going to cut the edges. Now here we have 4 bread slices, cut it into the pieces and blend it. It's an easy recipe. Now we're going to blend it. It will turn out like this in the powder form, like this. This is the how we're going to take it out. Now we're going to, next step is to making the syrup. Take 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water. Stir the spoon on medium flame. On medium flame we're making this sugar syrup. We just want to dissolve the sugar in the water and squeeze 1-2 drops of lemon. Now it's ready. Now here we're going to take 2 tablespoons of milk powder, add the water, like 4 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to add this into the bread that we blended or grinded and start kneading the dough for making the gulab jamun. So I use this hole and start kneading the dough. Dough should be not that much hard or soft, it should be in between. Now I knead the dough, cut into the pieces. Now start making the balls without the cracks. Now I'm going to make the balls from 4 bread slices. I make 8 balls like this. Make the balls, make a round shape. It's easy, just like this. You're making the 8 balls. Here the balls are ready. Next step is that heat the oil on medium flame, but we don't need to heat the oil very high. It should be moderate. And after that, when it's done, turn upside down, add these gulab jamuns into the syrup. Now on medium flame, cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see the gulab jamuns are ready. It is very delicious and yummy. An easy recipe with a few ingredients you can make this gulab jamun. Now you can see, look at this. It's really yummy. Enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe.